It is natural to feel anxious before an exam. Even the most prepared students will experience some level of distress before being tested. Exam anxiety is a type of performance anxiety because there is pressure to do well in a specific situation. You may fear failure and the uncertainty of the future if you do poorly on an examination. If you're one of those who gets very nervous about exams and wants to find effective ways to calm down, or simply looking for ways to increase your confidence during the test, this meditation is for you. In this meditation, we will use different ways to relax and prepare our minds to face that pressure, feeling confident and calm. First, remove any distractions around you. Turn off any devices that may interrupt you, and make yourself comfortable in a quiet space. Place yourself in any resting position and close your eyes. If you fall asleep during the session, that's perfectly okay. Now that you're comfortable, check your mental state. Is your mind very active? Just be aware of it. If it is restless, let it be restless for now. If it is calm, that's okay too. Take a moment to acknowledge your present mental and physical state. Let's take a few intentional breaths, inviting your mind and body to calm down and relax. Inhale deeply and feel your chest expanding. Exhale, letting go of any worries or anxiety. Allow yourself to surrender to this moment. And once again, inhale, clearing up your mind, bringing fresh air into your lungs. And exhale, completely balanced and relaxed. Keep breathing, letting each breath relax you. Let any thoughts you may have float up and away from you. Now, move your attention to your feet. Release the tension from your feet. Notice the new feeling of relaxation. Next, begin to focus on your legs. Release the tension from your legs, again noticing the feeling of relaxation. Remember to continue taking deep breaths. Go up to your stomach and chest and release any tension from your stomach and chest. Next, release the tension from your back. Feel the tension slowly leaving your back. Notice how great your body feels when you let it relax. Release the tension from your hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice how they feel limp and at ease. Move up to your neck and your head. Release the tension from your neck and your head. Allow your whole body to go limp. You are now in the room where the exam will take place. In the middle of the room, you see an empty chair and a desk. Go ahead, sit there. Take a few moments to set up your desk exactly as you will on the day of the exam. Make sure you have everything you need: pencils, a calculator, a bottle of water, maybe even a snack. Make yourself comfortable and take a few deep breaths. While you're focusing on your breathing, a voice in your mind letting you know it's going to be easy. All this time you were studying is going to pay off. You are ready. You feel confident and ready to show how well prepared you are. Visualize the exam being handed to you, and you quickly browse through the questions. You realize that you thoroughly know all the material. There is nothing unfamiliar to you. How does that feel? Do you feel excited, ready to answer all the questions? Let's take a few more breaths and start. As soon as you start to answer the first question, everything flows smoothly and effortlessly. You are calm and focused. You feel in a state of complete balance while you carefully answer question after question. A state of relaxed concentration. You are enjoying yourself, knowing that you will succeed and that all your preparation was worth it. Take a few more moments to enjoy this and witness how you effortlessly answer all the questions. Notice how you are answering the last question, but so much more time is left. You finished. It was easy, and you know it's done. You know you have succeeded. Experience the sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Be proud of yourself. Feel it deeply through your whole being. Let all of these positive feelings take over you until you're entirely immersed in them. Stay with those feelings for a few moments and allow yourself to embrace and embody this accomplishment fully. While you're in this state of pure happiness, let the following affirmations resonate from within yourself, from your true voice. I can solve any problem and face any challenge. An exam is an opportunity to shine and show my knowledge. I am confident and feel relaxed during tests. I am ready and well prepared to pass any test. I enjoy taking exams. I always have perfect grades. My memory is excellent, and I easily recall the information that I have learned. I pass exams easily. Let these words resonate in your mind. Feel their power and their truth. Their truth is your truth. Now, slowly come back to your body and take a few deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in once again and out. Slowly bring your attention to your fingers. Start making small movements, first with your fingers, then with your shoulders, your neck. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to our channel and download the Enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. Find the download link in the description below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports the channel. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.